Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to never miss a video from Indian Art and Beauty channel. Hi friends, this is Indian Art and Beauty channel and I am Pritha. Today I will show you how to make this heart-shaped pen rack. For making this, you will need a pencil, some ice cream sticks and a cardboard. Now take the cardboard and give heart shape. Like this. Now follow the steps. After cutting the sticks, it will look like this. Now wrap the cutting stick with the wrapping paper. Now wrap all the stick like this. Now fix these pieces with the glue gun. Now take a ice cream stick and cut it in 3 pieces. Like this. Take the pieces and fix with the main piece. After fixing this all, it will look like this. Now fix the another part with this. Finally, it will look like this.